My name is Hayat Osamah. I'm a multidisciplinary artist from Saudi Arabia, and the title of my artwork is Mamar, which translates to soft gaze. So my artistic journey began when I was a child. Growing up around the sound of a sewing machine of my grandmother, it triggered so much curiosity around the use of textile and fabric. I think when I grew up, I understood more that it's not just textile, it's more of a tool to self-express. It's more of a tool to construct an identity. And there is so much emotions that can be translates into fabric on the facade on my body. And textile triggered photography in a sense of documentation, because I think it's moments where it needs to be preserved and looked at again. And that led to fashion photography, documentary photography, and then film. And then I found that it was a whole world of visual. After that, I wanted to materialize those visuals by the use of, creating biotextile and creating installations. I wanted to bring elements from that visual world into reality. And I think that's what led to Soft Gates. This artwork is a representation of a sense of community that I was privileged enough to be a part of. And it built my character in a way that it gave me so many ways of seeing. In that community, the fabric is so important. Colors are so important. The color order of the installation came to be actually just sitting and imagining, visiting all my memories of being in the spaces of celebration and remembering those color palettes that I used to see. And then that was my way of kind of bringing it together. Because, as I dive into my memories, this is all I see. It's like categories of colors that are coexisting together, that are communicating together. The people of the neighborhood, their way of softening those facades is by putting colored fabric. Because fabric in that community was the thread that's connecting all of them. So I wanted to create that thread in between those columns. They're individuals, but then the thread connects them together even more and more. And this is exactly what I wanted to bring into the space, a sense of individuality, but together we form a beautiful color palette.